Hey guys, it's Steffi D here with another Dollar Tree DIY. This project only takes a couple minutes and $5 to make and looks so expensive. I can't wait to show you what we're making. We are making these awesome mirror vases out of Dollar Tree candle holders. Isn't that incredible? They only cost $5 and a few minutes to make. You're going to love these. I can't wait to get started. If you want to see more Steffi D Creates videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button. As always, full instructions are on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and links to all the products that I used in this video in the comments below. I'm so excited to show you how to make these, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. 5 mirror candle holders, a hot glue gun, and a piece of cardboard to work over to catch all of your glue gun drippings. We're gonna start building our box, so put one down on the bottom and one up on the side. Put hot glue on the inside bottom edge of the first mirror and carefully line it up to the mirror on the bottom. Press it together and hold for about 20 seconds or until it's strong enough to stand on its own. I'm going to reinforce it and put another line of hot glue on the inside seam. We're going to repeat that with our next mirror. We're going to put hot glue along the bottom, and we're also going to put hot glue along the side so it can adhere to both sides of our box. So carefully put hot glue along the bottom and also along the side. You want to be careful when you line these up that you have it exact, because it will stick to whatever it touches. So make sure that you have all of your sides exactly where you want them to go before you press the hot glue down. We're going to reinforce those seams as well with hot glue and then move to our next side. Repeat with the same thing, glue on the bottom and glue on the side. You don't need a lot of hot glue for this, it just takes a little bit. Line it up where you want it to go and press it on. Reinforce the seams. This is such an easy way to decorate and make it look expensive. The project only costs $5 and it looks so fancy. For our last side, you're gonna put glue on 3 sides. 1, 2, and 3 all the way around so we can line it up and close off our vase. Then make sure you go back in and reinforce all of those seams with hot glue. That's it, you're done. You made your own mirror vase. Fill it with potpourri or your favorite flowers, whatever you like. Decorate your house with these. Everyone's gonna be so impressed, and it only took you a couple minutes and a couple dollars. Enjoy! Okay, so were you guys shocked at how easy that was to make? I told you, they're so quick and so easy to make, but they look so fancy. If you liked the video and want to see more, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. As always, full instructions are on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at steffidcreates. I also have stuff on Pinterest, find me on there. Send me pictures of everything that you're making, especially if you make these. I would love to know what you put inside them. If you put smelly potpourri like I did, or flowers, whatever it is, I can't wait to see. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.